Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the foundation. Back up your current WTF and interface folders, then install the latest WoW client. Next, download the UI WoW package and its core add-ons like ELV UI or Tuck UI compatible modules. Once done, extract into the interface /add-ons folder and disable conflicting add-ons in the character selection add-ons menu. Make sure to keep the add-on folder tidy by removing duplicate or old zips, because clutter causes load errors and unpredictable behavior. You now configure the layout, load a default UI WoW profile, and immediately save it as a new profile so you can revert later. Then adjust unit frames, action bars, and nameplates to match your class roles and playstyle. Prioritize visibility for cooldowns and interrupts. Once elements are positioned, set global scale and lock positions to avoid accidental moves. Also configure keybind display and action bar paging so abilities map correctly across stances or forms, which prevents input errors in combat. Finish by fine-tuning performance and visual clarity. Enable low-impact FX or lower view distance if you experience lag, and tweak opacity for backgrounds and borders. Next, test all key bindings and open raid or party frames while simulating combat so you confirm visibility and cooldown tracking. Once satisfied, export the profile for cross-character use. If the UI fails to load or behaves oddly, reset the profile or temporarily remove the most recently added add-on to isolate the conflict. This is the fastest troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.